love you. Oh, you have a great day. So I just got off of work and they've already had dinner, so I've stopped by Burger King to get some dinner. I'm trying their grilled chicken sandwich, which I've never had. So we'll see.
What do you drink? Okay.
Could have pulled closer.
Oh, you're all right. All right, here's your card and your receipt. I'm going to have you pull around to the front because they just dropped that chicken.
Yeah.
Ketchup or any sauce?
Nope.
All right.
Well, I mean, the normal sauce that comes with the onion rings, but that's it.
Zesty?
I don't know is that what it comes? Sorry.
Well, some people take zesty and some people take ranch, but I'm assuming that
Yeah,
you
that's
want
the one.
Zesty.
Thank you.
We'll bring-
So I'm waiting for my food at Burger King and realizing it would have been cheaper for me to go buy pizza tonight than it did to buy Burger King. Go figure. I should have just done that.